Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. I am Olorunwa Olaogun. You can call me CD and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, a few months ago, if you ask me if a time will come when I'll ask people to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll tell you, nah, that's not happening. But right now, I have to do it. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share. That's Abby. Am I missing anything? For real, that's it. So this is going to be like my first proper YouTube video, and I'm putting this out for a reason. At the time I was starting out as a content creator, I also tried to let people around me know I'm starting this thing, and I would love that if you are being inspired by God to do the same, start the journey with me, and maybe in a few years, months, we'll come together and say, I knew when you started, yeah, we started together, and then now we have grown. You are getting endorsement deals and probably getting traction online too, and yeah, it will make sense, right? But here is the problem. When I watch very nice content creators, right, who they have values, that's very important. They have values and they still have like content. Like when you mean content, entertainment, enlightenment, um, they have depth, they have content. Do you understand? You listen to some of those people, they too, they are part of the issue that I want to talk about, right? When you listen to people like that and you ask them, I want to start out as a content creator, what should I do? What they will tell you is start from where you are. And a lot of people have taken that advice and they have used it in a way that me I don't like. You are starting out as a content creator because someone said to you start with whatever resources you have, then you are starting anyhow. I don't think it's a very good way to start, right? Because you are starting from where you are and you are not putting any effort into starting out. You just carry the phone, plug it to maybe a mic, and then just start talking. Some people they don't even use mic. They don't care about the output of the content. They just want to get it to go out. And that's not bad in itself. Only that sometimes with very little effort, you can get something very good out till the time that you are established enough to be able to get whatever resources that you need. Now, if you see my background now, it's as basic as possible. A plain background, maybe just lights here and my guitar on this side and nothing extra. A plain background. If I remove those things from the background, I'm still going to create this video. And of course, I have lights in front of me, right? It is just effort. Starting out from where you are or with whatever you have does not mean that you will just start sharply. To be honest, me, I no go watch your video. And I'm not trying to be mean. And a lot of people won't watch your video. The funny thing is, even the people that are telling you to start with whatever you have, if you don't start well, they won't watch your video too. Except maybe you are extra funny, maybe you are extra talented. But if it is for information and communication, I think you have to take quality output very seriously. Go online, even with ring light. If you know the magic that you can do with ring lights, even you will be surprised. Even if it's just two ring lights that you can get, it is not the best quality, as it were. Still try to make your video stand out, because if your video is bad, if your output is bad, I promise you, a lot of people will not watch your video. Once your video is visually appealing, people go watch, they go watch your video. Do you understand? So you have to make effort. Yes, start from where you are, but don't start anyhow. If I am going to share the things that you should pay attention to when you are starting out as a content creator, these are the things that me I will talk about. So let me just share them with you. Number one, of course, invest in quality tools. What I mean by investing in quality tools does not mean that you have to buy everything, to be honest. A lot of us are not that financially buoyant to get all the cameras, the gears, and everything. If you are using an Android phone that the camera is not good, there are Android phones that the cameras are good. No shades to Android users, right? But there are Android phones that the cameras are not very good. If that's the kind of phone you are using, I don't see any reason why you should not be able to ask a neighbor who is probably using an iPhone or a better Android phone than yours to record your videos. Get a good mic. Make sure that the mic has noise cancellation. That's the most important thing. The depth of the mic may not be all that, but make sure at least there is noise cancellation. Like I said, I'm using a plain background. Everyone should have a plain background. Number two, know what you want to talk about. If you don't know what you want to talk about, to be honest, it will be hard for you to be consistent as a content creator. So what you can do is have a niche, something that is very interesting to you and you know that is going to be interesting to people to do a lot of content about that thing. The next thing that you should pay attention to is, of course, plan your content. This video that I'm making now, I planned the content and I wrote out my bullet points, and that's where I'm looking from now, and then I'm speaking to you, so you can do the same. I'm not saying everything on this content word for word, right? But I know what I am talking about, and if I forget anything, I'll just check and I'll continue, right? So that's how it should be. Plan your content, make outline, make bullet points. You can highlight a word that when you see that word, you know what you want to say about that word, so you can plan your content. That's the emphasis. Plan your content. The next thing that you should do is, on your journey, as you create, learn at the same time. Everything cannot be perfect on the first day, so as you are journeying, be learning at the same time, and that's going to make your work very unique. And then, of course, as you are learning, you also have to be consistent. For me now, I think I started like 4 weeks ago or 5 weeks, and I've already released like 12 shorts. This is my first proper video now, and that's how I'm going to continue till my page is filled with my content, so that when you come to my page, you have other things to watch. And it is by consistency that you can get that work to be there, those content to be there. So you have to continue to create. This content creation thing is hard, but if you are doing it, then you have to be committed to it. You have to really be committed to it. So yes, these are the things that I feel like if a lot of people pay attention to when they are starting out, I promise you they probably would do better than they are doing. So please pay attention to these things. As you are starting, let me just read it out word for word so that you can get it properly. Number one, invest in quality tools. The gears, the camera, the light, the background, the mic. Invest in quality tools. Number two, know what you want to talk about. It may not be compact yet, but at least have an idea what you want people to learn from you. Then you can now start sharing. Always plan your content. Make sure that you're not just talking off the top of your head. Make sure that you have your content plans. As you are recording, of course, you are going to be spontaneous. You can now have emphasis. When you forget anything, you can look into your notes, into your outline, and then you are continuing from wherever you stopped. You understand? So that's that. And then also the next thing is be consistent. You already know that content creation is hard, so you have to plan to be consistent from the get-go, from the beginning, so that you will not just die off on the way. I do a lot of content now. I record content for a brand I work with. I record my own content. If anyone needs me to record content now, I'll record for them. But I'm still going to get my own production out. So please, you already know that the craft is hard. Be committed to it. So be consistent. Always create. Yeah, one thing that I need you to pay attention to is getting feedback. I have my own personal feedback person. Anytime I'm putting a video out, I go to ask the person, what do you think about this video? She'll probably correct this, correct that, and then she'll give all around feedback. And when I'm recording my next video, I look out for those things and I do them better. I think that's it, right? So if you pay attention to these things, honestly, people will engage your content more. People will want to get to hear what you're saying, because starting out as a content creator doesn't mean you just start anyhow. Make sure that you pay attention to these things. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Siidythecreator, and follow me on all social media platforms at Siidythecreator. I'll see you on the next one.